What's up, Geeksters? Today we're taking a look at the Rapoo MT760 Pro wireless mouse. Now this is a productivity-focused, multi-device programmable mouse that aims to deliver premium features without the premium price tag. If you spend long hours at your desk or you bounce between multiple devices throughout your day, this might be a mouse worth paying attention to. So right out the gate, the MT760 Pro positions itself as a serious productivity tool. It supports multiple connection types, including near-link wireless, Bluetooth, and wired USB connection. So that means that you can connect up to 7 different devices and switch between them seamlessly. So whether you're moving from a desktop to a laptop or even a tablet, it's designed to keep your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. Now, as far as the physical design goes, my first impression is solid. The mouse comes in a matte gray or black finish, and it has a comfortable ergonomic shape that fits naturally in the hand, making it well suited for long work or gaming sessions. And for me, my hands are pretty big, and it still fits my hands comfortably when I'm using it for long periods of time. The matte finish gives it a clean, professional look, and the buttons feel thoughtfully placed for easy access, and they have a high quality look as well. The buttons are also very quiet, which I appreciate. Now on the bottom of the mouse is a spot to store one of the near-link receivers, and it actually comes with 2 receivers that you can use. The mouse itself is very light, which makes controlling it super easy. While it may not feel quite as luxurious as some top-tier expensive flagship mice, it definitely offers quite a bit at its reasonable price point. One of the biggest highlights of the MT760 Pro is its connectivity. So with near-link for low latency wireless use, Bluetooth for universal compatibility, and the option to go fully wired, this mouse is incredibly flexible. So being able to pair and switch between multiple devices with the press of a button is a game changer for those that are multitaskers and hybrid workers who rely on more than one machine throughout the day. Performance is another area where this mouse shines. So it's powered by a high precision sensor that offers up to 12,000 DPI, along with fast polling rate for responsive tracking. So whether you're video editing like me, or you're gaming, or just moving quickly between windows, the cursor feels accurate and it feels smooth. And the adjustable DPI makes it easy to dial in the sensitivity that feels right for your workflow. And customization is also a strong point here. So this mouse features multiple programmable buttons that can be mapped to macros, keyboard shortcuts, or even media controls. And so the onboard memory means that your settings, they stay with the mouse. So even when you're switching between devices. So while the companion software isn't the most polished interface on the market, it's still functional and gives you plenty of control to tailor the mouse to your needs. And battery life is also another pleasant surprise here. Rapoo claims that you have up to 120 days of use on a single charge, which means you're not constantly worrying about plugging it in. And when it does need power, the included USB Type-C charging cable makes it quick and convenient. Of course, no product is perfect, and the software experience could be a little bit more refined, and the overall build quality doesn't quite match ultra-premium competitors, but still, these are relatively minor trade-offs considering the feature set and the price point of this mouse. It's very affordable for what you're getting. So who is this mouse really for? Well, the Rapoo MT760 Pro, it's an excellent option for those of you that are professionals, creators, gamers, and anyone who works across multiple devices. So if you want strong performance, if you want flexible connectivity, long battery life, and deep customization without spending top dollar, well then this mouse is probably a perfect solution for you. If you'd like to purchase one for yourself, I'll have a link down below in the description to make that really easy to find. If you guys want to check out some of my other videos, I've got 2 other clips over here you can click on. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to be alerted to all my new reviews as they drop. And I'll see you guys in the next video review.